What is going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over how you can make money with crypto apps in 2021 and beyond. Now, I'm first going to go over each app individually, and then I'm going to talk about how you can make money after that. Also, if you guys want to check any of these out, I'll throw some bonus and sign-up links in both the description and comments of this video. Okay, so the first app we've got here is the Coinbase app. I feel like everyone's probably familiar with it at this point, and it is a really good app. The only downside to using it is the fees are, sort of high. They're anywhere from like 0.5 to 1.5% for buying and selling. If you plan on holding for the long term on there, some coins, I don't think it's that big of a deal. But if you're, going to be trading, then, just know the fees are a little bit high. And then, of course, you've got Binance US. This is probably one of the best apps you can be using as far as like fees go, and like the user interface is really nice for buying, selling, pulling up different graphs, charts, things like that. It's 0.5% for buying and selling on here. So, I mean, like I said, it's extremely low. Now, you could use Coinbase Pro. So, like when you have a Coinbase account, you're automatically enrolled into Coinbase Pro. The fees on here are 0.5% for buying, 0.5% for selling. It's also very similar to Binance US in like how it looks and everything. But overall, I kind of prefer the Binance US app for like trading purposes. It's just a little bit more user friendly, but you could always use Coinbase Pro if you decide to, get a Coinbase account. Okay, and then we've got eToro Crypto. Now, this is a pretty cool app. I mean, they have staking on here where you can earn some passive income. It's also a social trading app where you can like, talk to these built-in communities on here, about some of the different coins. Like I own Tron as an example here. Then if I scroll down a little bit, you can see there's like a feed for like people posting things, hence the social trading part of it. And then you can pull up graphs, charts, things like that. Fees on here are also, anywhere from like 0.5 to 1.5%, similar to Coinbase. And then of course we've got Robinhood. Now, I know a lot of people out there kind of like, Robinhood is no good, etc. But I've made a lot of money trading on Robinhood, even though they only have 7 different coins. The reason I use it is because there are no fees on here. So like whenever I buy into these coins, it's not like I'm trying to hold them for the long term. I'm usually just trading them and holding them for like a few days, maybe a few weeks, maybe a few months. But that's how I do that. So now let's talk about some of the ways you can actually make money. Okay, so in order to actually make some money with crypto, you have a couple different options, right? You can do what's called swing trading, where you buy in, you hold for like a few days to a few weeks to a few months. You could do the long-term trading thing where you just kind of like buy in and hold it for a really long time, which is kind of boring, but at the same time, you can do that. Now, I don't recommend day trading, so I'm not even going to talk about that because with crypto, that's basically impossible. But Ethereum, I wanted to show you what swing trading looks like. So, typically for the last month on Ethereum, you could see that it's been all over the place. I mean, it's been on the rise, but a lot of the time you'll notice with cryptos, when they go up substantially, in a week or a couple weeks, usually there's a crash that follows right after that. Now, what you want to do is buy when things are going down, and then when it starts to go up and it's, maybe gone up anywhere from like 5, 6, 7%, you want to sell. So that's what swing trading is. It allows you to compound your money faster, and it's something that you need to practice and get good at. And this isn't financial advice. You guys could obviously try it yourself, but I wanted to show an example how I've been doing this also on Robinhood. Now, the reason I said Robinhood is good is because, they don't have any crypto fees on here for buying and selling. So it's basically like all profit. And I already have money in here for stocks. So it's kind of like a win-win situation, right? But you could see in 30 days, I basically made about $10,000 swing trading Ethereum. So, I mean, you can see the potential here with swing trading. And then right now I bought into Bitcoin Cash probably like 7 or 10 days ago. And I'm already up, 10 or 11,000 on this one coin because I bought in at the right price. Now I'm kind of like riding it a little bit longer. I also think Bitcoin Cash is one of the most undervalued top 10 crypto coins right now. It hasn't seen a big rise yet, so I would recommend looking into the coin a little bit. Its all-time high was around 4,000, and even with Bitcoin at around like 57K, the thing has barely moved yet. I also just want to show you, I've been able to grow also like the Coinbase account here from, just a little bit of money all the way up to like 80K in the last 12 months. And it's all been through swing trading, right? So hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, If you have any questions, feel free to message me below in the comments, but definitely check some of these apps out for sure. Please smash the like button, and we'll see you in the next one.